Please confirm to me. All of you get my voice screen. Though my ID is no, please confirm. All of you get my voice on screen. Please type in the questions box. Guys, everybody, please type in questions box. All of my voice on screen. Those who are attending, is my voice on screen online? Am I audible? It's clear to all of you guys. Now please confirm to me. Guys, everybody, please confirm to me. All of you get my voice on screen. Those who are attending in online. Right. Yeah. Thank you. All right. Good evening, guys. And I think some of you are new members today. Then please try to take this link. At least take this link as a photo, or maybe in our notes. At least take this link. This is mandatory for everybody. Right, sir. Everybody, please take this link. So then regular classroom notes I will provide through this link only. Right, through this link only you are able to get daily classroom notes. Right, then Google Classroom code is available. Better to take even this one also, or else maybe later I will give information about this Google Classroom code. After completion of 1 or 2 days of time, I will explain to you how to install Google Classroom app in our mobile or how to use this code. Then I will explain to you. Don't worry for it. I got notice of it. Might be then this link is not work. That means code is not working. People are giving that information. Let me check it. After that, I will give that. I created actually, but I will check it once again. Don't worry for it. Okay. So what we have to do there, all of you observe carefully. Just if we paste this link in our browser address bar, there you are able to get the document introduction part. That means this is a folder actually, drive folder I given share. As an introduction part here we are getting. Just if we double click on it, there we are able to get like what there, our document will be open. What document will be open here? Now understand it. As it is, this document at present, whatever the document here we are using there, the document will to open. Understand it clearly now. Okay. All right, sir. It's okay. So fine, whatever it may be. In the last class, just introduction portion I given. What exactly the meaning of full stack Java developer? That information again. Only one class I have taken. That Friday I have taken that class. Then today is the second class now. Okay. All right, sir. Now, before going to start our content, even I given some related syllabus content also we have given, but try to understand it clearly. First of all, let us understand details about the Java programming language. Right, sir. Before that, now tell me, all of you now tell me. Okay, no problem. What else might be 1 minute? That's okay. Java is a programming language provided by which company? Say for example, Oracle is a product, database product provided by Oracle Corporation. .NET is one of the technology or a programming language provided by Microsoft. Windows is an operating system product provided by Microsoft. Similarly, Java is a programming language. Java is a programming language provided by Sun Microsystems. Java is a programming language provided by Sun Microsystems. Understand it? Guys, then one small request from my side, no, please close your documents, all of you know. No need to write anything. Everything I'm going to write here. Just look at my face. If you don't like my face, at least look at that screen now. Understand it? Huh? So sit haramly, understand the point what I'm telling there. No, what I'm telling there, then no hurry worry kind of things. No, clearly I'm going to give some content. Try to understand it. Relax is important inside the class now. Okay, right, sir. Don't take too much pressure while understanding the content. I'll simplify every topic, every concept. Now try to understand it. Okay, but every day you have to bring the notes. But while explaining the content, don't write any running notes. But I will give some examples inside the classroom. I'll give some assignments inside the classroom. There we have to do the assignments. By the time we have to open our notebook and we can do some exercise. Okay, right, sir. But not immediately. Let's understand the point here. All of you know. Java is a programming language provided by Sun Microsystems. Clear. How many parts are provided by Java? That means Sun Microsystems has provided Java in how many parts? How many parts are available in Java? How many parts are provided by Sun Microsystems? No. As per the outside awareness, in general, as per the outside awareness, what people are saying that Java was provided by Sun Microsystems in the form of three parts. What are the three parts which are provided by Sun Microsystems? First one is core Java. First one is what there? Core Java. And the second one is advanced Java. Second one is advanced Java. And the third one is J2EE. Third one is what? J2EE. In general, this is what exactly the classification which is available in outside market. But before going to understand the actual Java programming language, at least we have to understand whether this classification, whether this terminology is the right terminology or not. Is that right classification or not? Are these the right parts which are provided by Sun Microsystems or not? At least we have to understand that point. This classification, this terminology is totally wrong terminology. This was not provided by Sun Microsystems. This is the local terminology. This is local terminology. Clearly I'm telling there, Hyderabad, Amirpet terminology. And companies, nobody will use this terminology. Core Java is okay. At least we can accept the mind. We can accept it. But remaining advanced Java, this kind of terminology is not available in Java. Okay, sir. Good. I understood that. This is wrong terminology. I do agree that. But tell me what is right terminology. Tell me what exactly the division which is provided by Sun Microsystems. What Sun Microsystems has given in Java. Tell me that information. If we come for that point here, the answer is what there. Sun Microsystems has not provided this terminology. Sun Microsystems has provided Java in the three parts, same as it is. But what are the three parts actually? The first one is J2SE or Java SE. First one is what there? J2SE or Java SE. And the second one is J2EE or Java EE. J2EE or Java EE. And the third one is J2ME or Java ME. That's it. These are the three parts which are provided by Sun Microsystems inside the Java. Guys, now all of you understand my point here clearly. Now tell me, what are the three parts which are provided by Sun Microsystems for Java? Now tell me, first one is what there? J2SE or Java SE. Second one is what? J2EE or Java EE. Third one is what? J2ME or Java ME. Is that got it or not? Now, what is the purpose of each and every part? What each and every part will cover or will provide part of our Java programming, that we are going to understand. Number one, J2SE or Java SE. This is the first one. J2SE or Java SE. Right, sir. Observe carefully what it is actually. Point number one, abbreviation. First of all, we have to understand that abbreviation. J2SE or Java SE in the sense Java 2 Standard Edition. Come on, what is it now? Java 2 Standard Edition. Immediately I'm getting a question now. So I observe this naming convention J2SE, J2EE, J2ME. In everywhere we have used the number 2. Number 2 we have used there. Any significance for this number 2? Do you have any meaning for this number 2? Yes, definitely there is a significance for that number 2. But in the later, in the newer versions of the Java, 2 was not available. But in the older versions of the Java, 2 is available. Then what is the meaning of the 2 now? Simple, understand it now. At present, we are understanding Java. What is the latest version of the Java? Java 22 version is the latest version. At present, whatever the Java we are observing, we are understanding in Java 22 version, 70% of the Java was introduced in the second version of the Java. Now at present 22 version of the Java we are understanding now. Among this entire Java, in that entire Java, 70% of the Java was provided at the second version of the Java. That means lot of changes are provided. More and more enhancements are provided. Maximum 70% of the Java was introduced in the second version of the Java only. So to give importance for the second version of the Java, to give significance for the Java second version, they have included number 2 in their module names. J2SE. 2 is what their second version of the Java. J2EE. J2ME, where 2 is what their second version of the Java. There only more and more number of enhancements were provided inside the Java programming. Because of that reason, the number 2 was provided. That's it, not any other reason. Can understand it clearly. Right, sir. That's okay, fine. Now let's move on to the point here. J2SE, abbreviation here we understood. Java 2 Standard Edition, that point here we understood. Okay, fine. Next one is what it will provide. J2SE is one module, one part in Java. What it will provide for us? If we come for this point now, it will provide, all of you observe carefully, it will provide only the fundamentals of the Java programming. Come on guys, what it will provide then? Now tell me, it will provide only the fundamentals of Java programming, not the complete Java programming, only basics of the Java programming. Like what? I want to construct a building. Listen carefully. I want to construct a building. To construct a building, what resources are required? Now tell me first of all. The common sense I'm asking there. What resources we require to construct a building? First of all, we required a space, some land we required. Next one is what there? Bricks we have to gather, cement we have to gather, sand we have to gather, water, of course, we have to gather, iron we have to gather. Got it or not? Then after that, a proper foundation here we have to gather. Yes, sir. Am I right or not? What we have to gather there? Proper foundation here we have to gather. Am I right or not? In J2SE, what we are going to do now? All the elements we are going to gather. That's it. We are not going to construct any building. Just we are going to gather the raw components. That's it. Just gathering raw components. But we are not going to build any. We are not going to construct any building. Yes, sir. Got it or not? That is the meaning of J2SE. That means gathering all the fundamental units. In the next level of the Java, we will construct the buildings. We will prepare the applications. But at present, we are going to understand only fundamental components. What is what, what is what, what is what, like this. We are going to understand only fundamental units. That's it, not more than that. All right, now observe carefully. It will provide only the fundamentals of the Java programming, not complete programming part. A simple common sense related point now. If J2SE is providing everything in Java, what is the use of J2EE and J2ME? What is the requirement of J2EE and J2ME if J2SE is providing everything? So because of that reason, J2SE is providing only fundamentals of the Java, not complete Java. That's okay, fine. With these fundamentals, what we are able to do? Is it possible to prepare any application on the basis of the fundamentals? Is it possible to prepare any application on the basis of these fundamentals? Simple example I'm telling there. If you prepare a foundation, proper foundation, actually my plan is I want to construct a building, 10-story building. Unfortunately, I prepared only foundation, but I didn't have sufficient money. What I have to do? With that foundation, what I have to do? Come on, guys. Just foundation is ready. I want to construct a 10-story building, but I don't have much money. So I stopped thinking about like what they're constructing 10-story building, but foundation is ready, but still I have to live in a particular house, but I didn't have any house. Then what I have to do? Then on the basis of that foundation, a small shed I can prepare or not? Temporary purpose, a small shed I can prepare or not? In the same way, by using fundamentals of the Java programming language, we are able to prepare one type of application, a simple applications we are going to prepare. That simple applications are called standalone applications. Put more concentration on. By using fundamentals of the Java, by using J2SE, we are able to prepare standalone applications. Guys, observe carefully. What type of applications can we are able to prepare there? Standalone applications. Then immediately I'm getting a question. What is standalone application? What is the meaning of standalone application? Answer is very clear. Not enterprise application, not too much complex application. Standalone applications are very simple applications. What exactly the definition of the simple application or standalone application? Observe carefully. I'm going to give definition or try to put more concentration, guys. I'm going to give definition to you, now try to put more concentration. Everybody. If we design and execute, if we prepare and execute any application, guys, understand it now. If we prepare and execute any application without using client server architecture, what? Without using client server architecture or without distributing application logic over the multiple machines, then that application is called multiple machines, then that application is called a standalone application. Right, now try to read out the statement what I've given there. If we design and execute any application without using client server architecture or without distributing the application logic over the multiple machines, then that application is called a standalone application. Put more concentration. Just I'm going to give a simple diagram for it. Observe carefully. Without using client server architecture means that prepare your complete application in a single computer. Don't use multiple machines. Don't use 2 computers, 3 computers. Use a single computer. That's nice. This is my computer. Use single computer. This is my computer. And one more point I'm telling to you. Today onwards, I don't want to use the terminology like computer. I want to use the terminology like what their mission or mission, or it may be. Okay, today onwards, I'm going to use the terminology a mission, not a computer. Why? Because Java is not only for computer. Java meant for all the electronic devices, all the mechanical devices, all the like electrical devices. Everywhere Java is available. That's why I want to say a device, or I want to say a mission, or I want to say what the computer. Anything is equal. We can understand it clearly. So this is my computer, or maybe this is my mission. In this total, in this single mission, in this within a single computer, I'm going to prepare my total application, my complete application. My total application is distributed over a single mission, not over multiple missions. Observe carefully. This is what I'm telling to you, application. This is my application. There only I'm going to prepare the complete logic. This is my program. Here only I'm going to provide my complete logic, application logic. Not only that, in the same computer, I will compile my program. In the same computer, I will execute my program. In the same computer, I will provide input to data to my program. In the same computer, I'm able to get output data from my program. Everything is going on in a single computer. Everything is going on in a single computer. This type of application is called a standalone application. This type of application is called what there? A standalone application. That's it, not more than that. To prepare the standalone applications, we are going to use J2SE. To prepare the standalone application, we are going to use what there? J2SE. That's it. Very, very simple content. To prepare the standalone applications, we are going to use what there? J2SE. All of you following my points now? All of you are comfortable? All of you are getting clarity on this? Nothing, sir. Just the fundamentals of the fundamentals I'm discussing with you now. Just try to put more concentration. Next 3 to 4 classes, just we have to understand my terminology. Not more than that. Concept was very simple. But the path what I'm giving, that is very, very important. We are in a different tracks at present. In the first 2 to 3 days of time, I'm trying to bring all of you into my track. Once we are in my track now, we will run. But now I'm walking. You have to walk along with me. That's it. Once we are in a track now, we will go for a race totally. Okay, right. Let's move on to the point. All of you are getting clarity. What is a standalone application? Tell me, what is standalone application now? Come on, what is a standalone application? If we design and execute any application without using client server architecture or without distributing application logic over multiple machines, then that application is called a standalone application. Indirectly, what I'm telling now, if we prepare and execute any application in a single computer, in a single machine, then that application is called what there? A standalone application. To prepare the standalone applications, fundamentals of the Java is sufficient. No need to go for too much Java content. Just only basics of the Java are sufficient. Let's leave this point here. Okay, sir, I understood what is a standalone application. But tell me some examples for it. Tell me some examples for the standalone applications. I want to know that. All right, observe carefully. I'm going to give some examples to you. This is my computer, or maybe this is my laptop where calendar is available. Am I right or not? Calendar. If I open that calendar, I'm able to get the total calendar dates and time and everything I'm able to get. It is also an application. Remember this, that calendar is an application inside my computer. To execute that application, to open that application, I don't require even network. I don't require even like what their client server architecture. I don't require even to distribute application logic over multiple missions. Even network is not required. Automatically that calendar care we are able to get. Am I right or not? Everybody understand my point here now? Okay. So calendar is an example here we have to understand. Next one is after that. Now after this calendar, next one is what there? Calculator app is available or not? In our missions, calculator is also an application or not? To utilize that calculator application, we don't require even network connection. You don't require even multiple missions. You don't require even like a client server architecture. In a single computer, just if we search for calculator, automatically that calculator here we are able to get. It's also an application that is running in a single mission. As an example for what there, that standalone application. Not only that, now I'm using paint brush application. At present, I prepared some diagrams here, right? So there's a paintbrush actually. This app is a paintbrush. This is also an application here. This is also like what there, a standalone application. It is running in a single computer. It is not required. It doesn't require client server architecture or a distributed environment. It doesn't require server side environment. In a single computer, the total application is running. So these are the various examples for what there, standalone applications. Nice. Up to that, it's okay, guys. Now it's okay, fine. Now, my question is what there after this, my question is how many applications are standalone applications in outside software industry? In outside software industry, hundreds, lakhs of applications are available. Lakhs of billions and billions of software applications are available. Every day, number of new applications are creating. But out of all these applications, how many applications are standalone applications? No. If we come for this point, answer is very clear. Only 5% of the applications are the standalone applications. Come on, how many percent? How many applications are standalone applications? Now tell me. Only 5% of the applications are what there? Standalone applications. Remaining 95% of the applications are not standalone applications. Only 5% of the applications are what there? Standalone applications. Immediately, we are going to have a doubt in our mind. Even if you are not having doubt, I'm creating the doubt. But actually, you have to get it out immediately. But by seeing your faces, I'm not getting confirmation for it. Anyway, I'm explaining that out also. Sir, here you are saying that only 5% of the applications are what there? Standalone application. That means J2SE is what there? Utilization is only 5%. No? That means only 5% of the applications are standalone applications in the sense my job opportunity is also be 5% in outside. No? The job requirement is also be 5% in outside. No? Companies are required only 5% of the employees for standalone applications actually in outside market. That means my opportunity level is also be 5%. No, because of that 5% of the application development, now I'm learning this Java programming language. Is it a right option to select Java programming language at present for me? Are you understanding my question? No, actually standalone applications are only 5%. No, only 5%. Because of that 5% of the applications, now we am learning the Java programming language. Then what about my job opportunity level? Opportunity percentage in outside, if I learn Java programming language, is that only 5%? Then immediately you may get this kind of doubt now. But I'm giving clarity for you. Observe carefully, listen carefully. J2SE, right, sir? Its a direct utilization is only 5%. No doubt for that. Core Java, I'm talking there. J2SE in the sense core Java. Blindly we can understand. Core Java direct utilization is what there? 5% only. But it's a dependency level. Its dependency level is what there? 1000%. Its dependency level is what there? 1000%. Everybody put more concentration. Its dependency level is what there? 1000%. Sir, what is this mathematics today? At one side you are saying that 5%, now it is 1000%. I heard about it. Max 100%. No, but you are saying 1000%. Yeah, what is this mathematics of today? Yeah, I'm going to give some clarity now. Try to understand it now. What's the point I said to you? It's a direct utilization is what? 5%. But what I said to you, its dependency level is what there? 1000%. No, but how it is? No, I'll give one small story. Now try to understand it now. Like you might be some students are very innocent. Let's assume it. One student just he completed graduation, maybe BSc or maybe BTech or maybe MC or whatever it may be. Some graduation he completed. Just he completed. Just he completed. Then he's thinking about it next. What next? After completion of college, what next? Might be asked some people there, those are already working in companies. Then what I have to do as the next step? Then they're given some information to him. Go to Hyderabad, and their Amirpet is there. They're join with some institute, learn some technology. After completion of that, have trials in software companies, then he will get job. This is a process somebody else has given now. Directly, he has taken bus or train, whatever it may be, came to Hyderabad. He came to Amirpet, he joined with a hostel. After that, there is a question mark. What is that question mark? What I have to learn? I think some of you are connected with me, right? Fine. What I have to learn? Now this is a junction now. Then in a hostels maybe, or in outside maybe, or maybe in some well wishes maybe. Okay, now I am at Amirpet now. What I have to learn? Now tell me, suggest me some technology. Which technology is very good at present? No, give that information, then I will learn it immediately. Within 2 months of time, I want to get job. The temptation will be very good at starting 10 days of time. Okay. Somebody else might be given information to him. You can take any technology, but don't take Java programming language. Some people might be given this kind of suggestion. No? Take any technology, but don't take Java. Why? Because Java is too much technical, too much lengthy. You are unable to complete it. Moreover, the student mindset is also what in BTech no. Myself is not good in programming no, so I don't like to go for programming. Already, college, like what I'm telling, the labs might be your faculty might be giving some irritation kind of approach to you in the labs, maybe all. By seeing the total environment, program is totally far away from me. So I don't want to go for programming part. So I want to go for a simple technology. Within few days after I want to complete it. In the next week, I want to get job with the company ID card. I want to go to my hometown. This is a plan. With that plan only, he came to Hyderabad. Already, this kind of session was provided by somebody else. No, then he asked her there. Okay, not Java. I understood that. Tell me the technology. What I have to learn. He might be given session is what there. Better to go for Salesforce nowadays. No, it's getting somewhat demand. Definitely, easily we can complete it. Easily we will get the job. Then that innocent student, what he will do, he will search for an institute where Salesforce training is going on. He went for the demo class. In the demo class, might be the trainer has started that Salesforce introduction and everything. At the end of the session, he used to put a heading like what? Prerequisites to learn a Salesforce. Prerequisites to learn a Salesforce. What has given information? If you know Java, then only come to the Salesforce. Otherwise, don't come to the Salesforce. Why? Because that Salesforce is a tool designed on the top of the Java. If you know Java, it's simple to understand Salesforce. Otherwise, you will not understand it. Then what that innocent student is thinking, I don't like Java. I want to come far away from Java. That's why I selected Salesforce. But this trainer has given information like what? Salesforce is a dependency for what there. Java is a dependent programming language for Salesforce. No, even I don't like Java. Now I don't like Salesforce also. Came out from the demo class. Again, he's in a junction. Again, he's inquiring about some other technology, some other course there. All right, sir. Now, observe carefully. He inquired about other technology. Some other person has given information to him. Alright, then don't go for Salesforce and Java. No, there is another technology. Easily we can complete it. Now it is what there. Selenium testing. If we complete it now, then within 40 days we will finish it. In the next week we will get job now. Then try to complete it. Then again, that innocent student might be searching for an institute where, say, Selenium testing tool, the training is going on there. He went for the demo class. There, before starting the introduction of the Salesforce, again the same story. If you want to understand that Selenium tool, you must know Java programming language. Then only you can continue with the Selenium testing. Again, what is the status of the student? No, or I don't like Java. That's why I came for what their Salesforce. But their Salesforce is dependent on Java. Because of that reason, I'm coming for what I came for what their Selenium testing tool. But it is also dependent on Java. So what I have to do now? I can come outside of the demo class and I can thinking about some alternative. Somebody else might be given information there. Are nowadays big data analysis is getting very good job. No, Hadoop is having very good demand there. Try to complete and come outside. We'll get job immediately. Again, he will go to some Hadoop training center. There he will enter. He will go for what there, like what there Hadoop like introduction classes there. But unfortunately, the trainer has given information like what there. If you want to understand Hadoop, again you require Java. There again we require Java if you want to understand Hadoop. Again is coming outside now. Then still searching for some alternative there. Somebody else has given information there. I forget about all these technologies. No, nowadays mobile platform is getting very good demand. Mobile application development is having very good demand. Better to learn Android technology. Android platform. What is going on there? Again, you may go for what there? Demo class. No. In the demo class, what is the bomb blast? No. If you want to learn Android, you must know what there? Java programming language. Leave it. Go for SAP now. There also be what is required now. Again, Java is required. Then go for like what there? Some other. See, I'm telling to you clearly. 99% of the products in software industry, in a software side, 99% of the products either directly or indirectly are dependent on what there? Core Java. Now tell me. Now tell me. J2SE is not only for Java developers. J2SE is a dependent platform for almost all 99% of the products in software industry are not. It means that almost all its dependency level is what the 1000% or not. That is the reason why I given that It's a direct utilization is only 5%, but its a dependency level is what there 1000% now. Everybody understand my point here? Why? Because now I'm going to give clarity now. Why? Because it is a dependent platform for it is a dependent platform for what there J2EE development, J2EE application development. That means enterprise application development, J2EE application development. Next one is what there mobile application development, mobile application development. Not only that, other technologies like what there testing tools like what there and might be like what there Selenium, like what there testing tools. After that, Salesforce, maybe Hadoop, and so on and so on and so on. Just only some of them are listed here, and so on and so on. So many technologies are available. 99% of the software products are designed on the top of what there Java. That is what there J2EE. Then you may think about one more point. Sir, Python is available there, right? As a competition for Java, Python is available there, right? I want to go for Python where Java dependency is not required. Yeah, really Java dependency is not required. But unfortunately, one rumor was created in outside. If you want to learn Python, first you have to learn Java. People are giving this wrong statement actually. Yeah, as a Java developer, as I thought about Python also previously, I took number of batches for Python also. But really, I'm telling there to learn Python, Java is not required. To learn Python, Java is not at all required. Really, I'm confirming that. As I teach both the concepts here. Previously, I took classes for Python also. Almost a number of batches I have discussed there, right? But still, I'm telling there to learn Python, Java is not required. But one point I can say now. If you learn Java, then if you go for Python, that simple, that easy. If you learn Python and if you want to come to the Java, too much difficult. Understand, guys, what I'm telling you? A simple example. If you drive a bike in Hyderabad, you can drive at anywhere else in outside. If you drive a car or bike in outside, and if you want to drive it in Hyderabad, it's too much difficult. You can understand it now, how the traffic is going on, how the culture is going on in Hyderabad now. The point is what there, if you learn Java, it simplifies every technology in outside. You can learn everything in outside easily. But if you learn Python and if you want to learn Java, not at all possible. So there also the relation here I'm providing there. Understand my point clearly now? So finally, all together, what's the point I'm telling to you? Java is a basic platform for every software engineer. If you learn Java, your remaining part of the software life will be very simple. Without Java, definitely you are going to have what there some struggles in outside. They are the best examples. They are the best examples. Nowadays, if we go for an interview, every interviewer is asking one question: do you have knowledge in any one programming language? If you say yes, then which programming language? If you say other than Java, they will not accept it. No. If you know Java, then they will continue interview. Yeah, this thing is going on. Directly they're asking there, do you know any programming language? Yes. Which programming language? If we say, I know C programming language, no, I will not. If you know Java, yes, you can continue. Then you will continue the interview. Yeah, that is the importance of Java here. That's okay, fine. Now objectively. So finally, it's a direct utilization is only 5%. It's a direct utilization is only 5%, but its a dependency level is what there 1000%. Understand the point clearly? What I'm telling you now. All right, sir. Now these are the various points here we have to understand. Now people are asking to me one question there. Sir, only core Java is enough to get a job in outside? No, no, not at all. If you ask the same question 7 to 8 years back, no, I can say yes. 7 to 8 or 10 years back, if you ask the same question, core Java is enough to get a job? No, yes, core Java is sufficient 10 years back. But now my answer is what there? No, full stack Java. If you want to get job immediately, only the option is what there? Full stack Java. Everybody must have knowledge on what there? Full stack Java. Especially in Java stream, what is required there? Core Java, Advanced Java, Hibernate, Spring Boot, microservices, web services. These 7 topics here we require. Is a standardization I'm telling there, not temporary solution. If you want to see your career in the next 30 years of time in the software industry, in Java set, these many technologies here we have to learn. Is only Java. But related to this Java, Oracle, or maybe UI, or different DevOps, different technologies there we have to understand. That's a full stack Java. There are nearly 13 to 14 subjects are available that we have to learn. Leave it. Now let's move on to the point here. Now finally, let us conclude the points here. Tell me, all of you know, tell me what is J2SE? Come on, what is J2SE? Java 2 Standard Edition. What it will provide? Only fundamentals of the Java. By using fundamentals, what applications we are able to prepare? Standalone application. What is standalone application? Prepare and execute any application without using client server architecture, without distributing application logic over multiple machines. Examples for standalone applications, no? Calculator, calendar, paintbrush, and so on. How many applications are standalone applications? No, 5%, but its dependency level is what there? 1000%. Why? Because it's a dependent programming language for Selenium testing, Salesforce, Hadoop, SAP related tools, and J2EE applications, and so on and so on and so on and so on. 99% of the software products are dependent on the Java either directly or indirectly. They're the points that we understood. Right, sir. This is about like what there J2SE here we understood. And the next one is like what there J2EE. Right, sir. All of you understand this point? No, J2EE or Java EE. Yes, observe carefully. Few points, small points only. Now observe carefully. First of all, what is J2EE or Java EE abbreviations? If we take no, very simple. J2SE is what? Java 2 Standard Edition, right? Now it is what there? Java 2 Enterprise Edition. Tell me guys, what is it? No, Java 2 Enterprise Edition. J2SE has provided only fundamentals of the Java. Am I right or not? J2SE has provided only fundamentals of the Java, but J2EE will provide server side programming. J2EE will provide what? Server side programming. By using fundamentals of the Java, we are able to prepare standalone applications. Am I right or not? Similarly, by using server-side programming, what type of applications here we are going to prepare? What type of applications here we are able to prepare? If you observe this clearly, J2EE can be used to prepare distributed applications. What type of applications there? Distributed applications or an enterprise applications. Distributed applications are what there? Enterprise applications. Yes, before going to explore this distributed applications or enterprise applications, first of all tell me what is standalone applications or not. Tell me what is the meaning of standalone application. Already we understood that if we prepare and execute any application without using client server architecture. Am I right or not? Let's observe carefully. If we design and execute any application by using client server architecture or by distributing application logic over multiple machines, then that application is called a distributed application or an enterprise application. That's it. All of you are getting clarity? What is the meaning of this enterprise application or distributed application? If we prepare any application on the basis of client server architecture, if we execute any application by distributing application logic over multiple machines, then that application is called what? Distributed application or an enterprise application. Right, sir. Now observe carefully. What's the point here I'm telling you? Know? Right, sir. Now here, see this. I'm going to give a simple diagram for it. For example, this is my client. Right, sir. Now, like what there, this is my server. Client and server. Two machines are available. Now observe carefully. This is one computer. Simply speaking, this is one machine. This is another machine, another computer. Nice. Now inside this, there is a protocol. For example, protocol in the sense network. We can understand it now. Network is available. Okay, fine. Okay, fine. Now at client mission there is a program, client program. At server mission there is a program, server mission. This is the meaning of distributing application logic over multiple missions. Now here I have written this is application logic here. Now here also be application logic. This is application logic. Now tell me, my application logic is distributed over multiple missions, not like in a single mission, in multiple missions. But what is going to be happen actually when we provide this, when we execute both the applications, what is going to be happen? First first request will be submitted to the server. Request will be submitted to the server. Now protocol will carry that request. This is protocol. Network in the sense what there? Protocol. Protocol in the sense network. Network will carry that request. Network will send that request to the server side program. The network will carry that request to the server side program. Now server side program will be executed. By the execution of the server side program, automatically some response will be generated. That response will be provided to the protocol. When response is given to the protocol, protocol will carry that response to the respective client. Now client is able to get response from what there? Protocol or network. All of you understand it clearly. Now observe carefully. Now I'm going to give clarity. Now okay, this is like what there? Request. Now this is like what the request. This is like what the request. Now here we are getting like what their response. Now this is like what the response. Now the request is processed at server side application. Now this is response. Now here I'm telling that this is client actually. Now this is like what their server. Okay. Now client application, client side program is what there? Client application. This is client application. Server side program is what there? Server application. Server application. That's it. Now we can understand it now. When we execute this application, client will send a request to the network. Now I'm going to give clarity. This is like what their network. Network or internet or protocol or whatever it may be at present. No. When we submit a request, that request will come to what their network. Network will carry that request to what their server side program. Server side program will be executed. Server side program will give a response. That response will be given to the protocol or network. Network will carry that response to the client. Client machine will take that request. Is almost all equal to your Gmail. Open the browser www.gmail.com, client side program. Click on enter button. Request will go to server side program. Now server side program will take that request, will identify the login page. It will send that login page as a response to the respective client. That's it. Example I'm telling there. Not exactly the same point, no, but approaches are going to be different in the future. No, I'll discuss in the future. Don't worry for it. Now this is about like what their client server application, where my application logic is distributed over multiple missions. This type of examples are called as what their distributed applications or enterprise applications. Everybody understand the point clearly? What I'm telling you, this is about like what there. All right, sir. Now just I'm going to give this diagram also. Now try to understand it clearly. What is distributed application here? We understood. That's okay, fine. Tell me some examples for it now. Now I'm telling to you, observe carefully, 95% of the applications are distributed applications in outside. 95% of the applications are what they're distributed applications. Examples I'm telling to you, now observe carefully. Everywhere, in every domain, in every vertical, distributed applications are going on. In every platform, in every domain, everywhere, what applications are going on? Distributed applications are available. Say for example, all banking applications are distributed applications. Take your ICICI bank application, net banking we are doing now. Axis Bank, net banking we are doing there. All these are what their applications, distributed applications only. ICICIbank.com request will go to what there? ICICI server. ICICI server side application will identify your request. It will send some response to you, like what their home page, where net banking option. If you click there, again another request is submitted to what their ICICI bank server side application, where it will provide like what their net banking, like what their something else, some page net banking page there it is providing. Where if you select what their fund transfer or transfer funds, then again another page here we are able to get. Everything is going on request response mode only. Best example. All banking applications are like what they're distributed applications. Next one is all Social network applications are what there? Distributed applications. Gmail.com, Facebook.com, YouTube, and all the applications. Insta maybe all the applications are what there? Distributed applications only. Next one is what there? All healthcare applications or healthcare domain are what the distributed application. In India, healthcare domain is not good, but in outside of India, healthcare domain is very good. Government will manage it. Government have to manage that. But in India, slowly that approach is coming there. Understand the point here? What I'm telling them. This one, after completion of this, what next one here? All may be transportations. Transportation applications are like what there? Health. That means distributed applications only. Understand my point clearly? All the food delivery applications are what there? Distributed applications only. All e-commerce applications are what there? Distributed applications only. Understand my point clearly? And so on and so on and so on. Every domain if you take nowadays, everywhere if you take now, everywhere we are able to get what there? Distributed applications only. Sir, all of you get my point or not? Leave this one. So this is about like what there? J2 EE or Java EE. Simple, very simple here I'm telling you. Leave this content here. After that, after completion of this J2 EE or Java EE, this point here, the third one is like what there? J2ME, J2ME or Java ME. Guys, observe carefully. The last one, third option here, I'm telling to you, J2ME or Java ME. Let us understand only few points about J2ME, not too many number of points now. First of all, abbreviation here we have to understand J2ME or Java ME. If you observe this, Java 2 micro edition. In general, people are saying that mobile edition. No, it's not mobile edition. It is what there? Micro edition. That's nice. What it will provide? What micro edition will provide? Already we are aware about it. J2SE will provide fundamentals of the Java. J2EE will provide server-side programming. Similarly, J2ME will provide micro programming, chip level programming, micro programming. By using J2SE, we can prepare standalone applications. By using J2EE, we can prepare enterprise applications or distributed applications. Similarly, J2ME can be used to prepare mobile based applications. J2ME can be used to prepare what applications? No, mobile based applications. If we prepare and execute any application without using client server architecture, without distributing application logic over multiple machines, that application is called what? Standalone application. Quite opposite of that is what there? Distributed application. If you prepare any application, if you execute any application on the basis of client server architecture or by distributing application logic over multiple machines, then that application is called as what there? That application is a distributed application. Then similarly, what is this mobile based application? What is the meaning of this mobile based application? Observe carefully. If we design and execute any application on the mobile hardware architecture, if we design and execute any application on what? Mobile hardware, not a normal system hardware, mobile hardware, then that application is called a mobile based application. Right, sir. Now tell me, how many applications are mobile based applications nowadays? No, 100% of the applications are what there? Mobile based applications, no doubt for that. How many applications are mobile based applications? No, 100% of the applications are what there? Mobile based applications. Tell me some examples for these mobile based applications. No, in every domain mobile support is available, mobile app support is available. Say for example, your Swiggy, for example, 2 days once or 3 days once we are giving some orders there in Swiggy or Zomato. All these are what there? Mobile apps only. In mobile application, if you open a mobile application, Swiggy app you install there. If you open your mobile there, every icon what you are seeing there, mobile application only. Facebook directly we are getting it now. YouTube directly we are getting it. Am I right or not? Right, sir. Banking sector maybe number of iMobile app is available from ICICI. Axis Open is available from what their Axis Bank, like this. If you take like what there other applications like what there network application, network based, that means communication providers now. Airtel app is available, Geo app is available, my Geo app is available, my cinemas are available there, Geo cinemas or something else is available. All these are what there mobile based applications. So 100% of the applications are what there mobile based applications. No need to go for any example. But remember this clearly. I am giving one point here. Mobile application development has very good demand. Mobile application development has very good demand in outside. It has very good demand, no doubt for that. But J2ME, J2ME, J2ME has not having any demand. J2ME is not having demand in outside. J2ME is almost all dead. Directly I'm telling there. Nowadays nobody is using this J2ME. Everybody is using some alternatives. Android maybe, iPhone maybe, Swift maybe, different mobile based technologies are available. Mobile based platforms are available. Everybody is using that advanced technologies only. Nobody is using what they, nobody is using this J2ME part. Because of that reason, nowadays, at least nowadays, what happened? If I touch any Java developer, tell me what topics are available in Java, they used to say J2SE, J2EE. That's it. Even they didn't remember J2ME. They didn't know about what their J2ME. They are not aware about it. But it's one of the parts inside the Java. Yeah, nobody. They don't require that. Why? Because no demand is available for it now. That's it. Because of that reason, J2SE and J2EE, majorly here we have to understand. The remaining concepts are J2ME is not at all required. Guys, this is exactly the concepts here what I'm telling to you. Java and its parts totally. Is that all of you getting my points or not clearly? Okay. Then after this is the basic introduction part here. After completion of this diagram, then syllabus already I given in the document here. Just visit one time here the total content what I am going to discuss there in core Java. So now once we completed this part here, already in the first class I given full stack Java introduction, full stack Java content here. Now I need to start what their core Java topic here we have to start. In this total full stack Java, core Java, I'm going to start. Okay. Right, sir. Then in core Java, the total syllabus here are listed here in the same document. Or else maybe after completion of this class, you'll get a WhatsApp message. In that WhatsApp message, the total full stack Java document you are able to get. Nearly 60-page document you are able to get. That is the total syllabus. If you open it, you can check the syllabus what you are going to be covered in full stack Java. Then we are able to get much clarity on it. Okay. Right, so this is okay, fine. In the next class, I want to start this core Java directly, introduction part now. In introduction part, directly I'm going to start Java history, few minutes of time. Then after that, why Java over the C and C++. Few points I'm going to discuss. After that, how to write the Java programs. What is the structure we have to follow to write Java programs. After that, Java naming convention. Then after that, how to download Java software and how to like what there. Download Java software, how to install it and how to write Java program, how to compile it and how to execute it. All the remaining steps there we are going to understand. Right. This is the process here what I'm going to follow now. Right. So can I take the session on tomorrow? Right. I want to stop here itself and tomorrow I'm going to take this session. Please remember it. Few classes I'm going to take at 7:30 max. In the future I'm going to take these classes at 6 or 6:30. I think already last class I given intimation. Again now also I'm giving that information there. After a few days of time, not immediately, I'm going to start your classes maybe at least 6 or 6:30 like that. I'm going to take the classes now. Please recognize this point here now. Why? Because then I need to speed up the content here. I have some process here. I want to take this class. It is a confirmation. Right? Thank you guys. Thanks a lot. We'll meet on tomorrow. Tomorrow at what time? 7:30 only. Tomorrow 7:30 only. After a few days of time, I'll give that information to you. From which date onwards, I'm going to take your class at 6:30. Right? Right. Sir. Thank you. Thanks a lot. We'll meet on tomorrow at 7:30. Fine. Yeah, data structures not possible. There is some other trainers are taking the data structures now. Pallavi ma'am, I think Prakash sir is taking the data structures classes. Just please check once with our admin people. They'll give more clarity on it. Okay. Right. So then I took full stack Java package from Durgasoft. What are the new topics he added so that I can join for the topics? Okay. Yeah, guys, then I think so. Then offer is going on in today. Fee structure and duration, guys. Then Prajwal, our admin people will talk with you regarding that. But anyway, guys, then if you want to take this admissions care, yeah, just you can contact with this number. Nagendra is a person here. There Nagendra will give more clarity on it regarding that process. No, all right. So let me know your morning batch time. I don't know, ma'am. Then my morning batch is maybe not a schedule, but I'm thinking about it in next month, second week onwards. Next month, second week onwards, I'm planning to take it, but not immediately, right? I'll plan for it next month, second week max. Take classes, post demo classes starting from 6 p.m. Yeah, Sashi, then I have a proper plan for it. Then I will follow that. Don't worry for it. Okay. Normal class from July is then can I take full stack Java course? Yes, sure. Vivek Chaudhary, just you can take it. Don't worry for it. Okay. Yeah, without data structures, can we crack coding interviews? Definitely, Varun. Without data structures and analysis is not mandatory immediately. Okay. I would say, will recordings will be also be provided in the case not able to join? Definitely, Hemang Gupta, definitely. Every class is recorded videos will be provided to you. Not to worry for it. They're going to explain how download Java new versions. Yes, definitely, Manasam. Definitely, every setup and every version I'm going to download, I'm going to show up to you how to install it, or how to work out examples on that new versions. Definitely, we are able to get it. Every version, everything we are able to get it. Not to worry for it. Setups and everything. Don't worry. Yeah, guys, then fee related information, just one time you can talk with our admin people there. This is a number, concern number I'm highlighting there in the document now. Just take that number and you can make a call to us, call to our admin people. And I think so today there is an offer. Today is the last day for this offer for full stack Java. Just one time talk with our admin people there. Aruna ma'am, then if you want to attend even 3 to 4 courses parallelly, it's okay. Maximum we are able to finish it, but still 3 months of time may not be sufficient to complete it. It may take some time, more time it will take. Aruna ma'am, just think about it. Within 3 months of it may not be completed. And then better to take core Java or maybe 1 or 2 courses. That will be good thing. All your Java classes will be between 6 to 9. Exactly. Warren, then all my Java classes are going in at 6 to 9 p.m. only. Sure. Yeah, Abhishek, then what we are asking there? I think you're not giving any question. Abhishek, just yeah. Any advice for someone who wants to do core Java certification? From which version he needs to do? I think so. At present, up to 17th version. 17th version is suggestible as of now. Abhishek, 17th version is suggestible. Previously might be 11th version we suggested there. Now 17th version is okay. If it is possible, if it is available, we can go ahead. Now nowadays in industry, 17th version is going to be utilized. Previously 11th version, now at present 17th version. If it is possible, then better do that 17th version of the Java. Okay. Yeah. Thanks a lot. Yeah, guys. Anything else? Parallel to Java, what courses I have to learn in full stack Java? Then definitely Oracle you can start. Then apart from this Oracle UI technologies you can start. Next was DevOps we can start. AWS DevOps that we can start. These technologies we can start. These three technologies we can start along with the Java. Like what there Oracle and UI technologies. Like what there apart from these DevOps, AWS, Linux, and these courses you can start. Yeah, Ashish, just one time talk with our admin people. I think today is a last day for offer actually. One time talk with our admin people, they will give clarity on it. Ashish. Yeah, I think today offer is going on for full stack job. Just talk with our admin people there one time. They'll give more clarity. I don't like to discuss about money related things inside the classes now. In between you and me, only technology is the relationship, not like money and all these things. No. Okay. Okay, guys. Guys, anything else? Shall we meet on tomorrow? No response, guys. Then people are not giving any information. No questions. Shall we meet on tomorrow? If all of you say yes, then we'll shut down and we'll attend in tomorrow's session. Thank you, Aruna. Thanks a lot. Thank you, Manasa. Thanks. Good. Thank you, Karthikeyan. Thank you. Which version of Java we will cover? Up to 22nd version of Sheikh. 22nd version of the Java will cover. Yes, thank you, thank you. Likita, thank you. Salish Power, thank you. Abhishek, thank you. Guys, all of you, please, all of you, if you left from the go to webinar, then I will leave it. Guys, then how many sessions now? So that depends on full stack Java 6 to that is minimum 7 to 8 months, 6 to 7 months of time it will take. No, sir. Actually, I took full stack Java package from Durgasoft online. What are new topics you added so that I can join further topics? Can you please intimate? Definitely, Sairaj, definitely I'll give intimation to you. Yeah, when I'm going to take new classes, then definitely I'll give intimation to you. Know, right? Sure. Java new versions features. I'll give intimation to you. Know. Don't worry. No, okay. Yeah, thank you, Sairaj. Thanks a lot. Guys, remaining members also. If all of you are okay, then I'll shut down. If all of you leave. Yeah. Thank you guys. Thanks a lot. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you guys. Thanks a lot. We'll meet on tomorrow. Tomorrow at 7:30 we'll have the class. Thank you.